AliExpress versus SaleHoo, which offers better supplier security. In today's video, we're diving into the world of supplier security, specifically comparing AliExpress and SaleHoo. So, if you're wondering which platform can provide you with more reliable suppliers, stick around, because the answer might surprise you. Now, when we talk about supplier security, we're looking at how safe your business is when sourcing products, and which platform gives you more control over the quality and reliability of your suppliers. We all know that the foundation of a successful e-commerce business starts with reliable products and dependable suppliers. So, let's break down these two options and see which one stands out. First, let's start with AliExpress, which has a huge variety of suppliers. It's an attractive choice because of its accessibility, vast product range, and low upfront costs. But that doesn't mean it's without its risks. The first issue is that the quality control on AliExpress can vary widely. Since it's an open marketplace with thousands of sellers, you'll find that some suppliers are great, while others, well, not so much. The platform doesn't always have the strictest vetting process for sellers, which can leave you with questionable suppliers who might delay shipping, offer subpar products, or even go rogue on you. And that's a huge risk if you're looking for consistency. Next thing, let's talk about SaleHoo. It's a directory of verified suppliers, meaning you're not just browsing an open marketplace. You're accessing a curated list of suppliers who have been checked for reliability and product quality. That's a big plus. SaleHoo claims to offer more trustworthy suppliers compared to AliExpress, which could help mitigate risks for new and experienced sellers alike. However, while the directory is helpful, it's still important to do your due diligence. SaleHoo doesn't manage transactions directly, so if a supplier falls through, you're still on the hook to find a solution. This means you might face more legwork if something goes wrong. The third thing to consider is customer support. On AliExpress, you have a customer service system in place, but it's not always the most efficient or responsive. When issues arise, especially when it comes to disputes between you and suppliers, it can take a while to get a resolution. SaleHoo, on the other hand, offers more hands-on support and has a team dedicated to helping you navigate supplier issues, which can be a lifesaver if you're in a tough spot. Now, we can't ignore pricing. AliExpress has a lower barrier to entry in terms of cost. You can get started with small orders, which makes it ideal for people just testing the waters. But like I mentioned before, those cheap prices come with potential risks. If you end up dealing with a bad supplier, your low-cost products could turn into a costly headache. SaleHoo, however, has a membership fee to access its supplier database. This might sound like a negative at first, but that cost can be worthwhile if you're serious about finding dependable, higher quality suppliers. It's an investment that might save you time and money in the long run. The fourth thing is ease of use. AliExpress is pretty straightforward. Search, compare, and buy. It's designed for people who want simplicity and speed. However, finding quality suppliers on AliExpress can feel like a needle in a haystack. SaleHoo is designed more for people looking to scale their business with less risk, but it does require a bit more effort to learn. You won't just be browsing, you'll be evaluating suppliers and managing relationships. So, while SaleHoo offers a more secure environment, the trade-off is that it demands more time and energy up front. So, both platforms have their merits, but what's the verdict? Both AliExpress and SaleHoo offer supplier options with varying levels of security, but if you're really serious about protecting your business and ensuring reliability, SaleHoo has a clear advantage because of its curated supplier list and support. But here's the thing, if you're looking for an even more secure, hands-off alternative with better supplier management, I've got something for you. While AliExpress and SaleHoo are decent options, after testing them myself, I recommend trying out a platform that takes supplier security to the next level. If you want a better alternative that's more streamlined, offers better supplier support, and gives you more control, then make sure you check out the link in the description for the best free trial available. It's an exclusive offer for our viewers, and it's the perfect way to kickstart your journey with secure, reliable suppliers. Don't miss out.